हाँ जी, नमस्कार, सत श्री अकाल, आदाब। आज द discussion हैगा SCCM बारे. We're going to talk about SCCM deploy applications using PowerShell. So go to my PowerShell. I create this uh, PowerShell script with a couple variables: app name, publisher, version, location. I want to install Google Chrome, this version 78. 03904, and location, I put the location of that app, this MSI file that I downloaded. I put the location, the collection name. I want all system. You can use your collection if you want to use different collections. Icon, I use it. So distribution point, and then just install and uninstall commands. So create application, the first one. The next is a deployment type, distribution to the DP, and then deployments. So new CM app, that's the command. You got to remember it. Nothing special. Name of the app name is Google Chrome. I just name it Google Chrome 1 because Google Chrome is a different version which I had. Google Chrome 1. Okay, app name, description, software version, publisher, this kind of things. Then deployment type, add CM deployment type, application, app name, then location is this one, and then command, and then distribute to the DP. I can put the location DP. This is my DP distribution point. That's my name of the DP, and then deployment, new CM application deployment to the collection name. Collection name is all systems name, app name. I want to use it as install. Available, display all, available, get date. Then just put this information. Okay, let's run. Let's see what happens. Save it. Yes. So it's trying to install the Google Chrome application. So it will take a couple minutes while it's installing. I just let you know that the logs for this installation will come here under on the server side. It's here. Where is that? On the server side, it is, yeah. See program files, SMS logs, and then under logs should say app info. App info, app info, date modified. I'm just checking. You should say app info. App info. That's the old one. I don't see the new one yet. I'm gonna put some, find out. Here it is, 7/12. Date modified. Today is 7/12. Yeah, SCCM app info is showing as a from yesterday's that I install. Let's see what happens on this one. It's still showing the, so, but just remember that this is the log file to check it. And let's see, it's still installing. So you should say the Google Chrome 1. That's what I'm trying to install. So, and on the client side, the location is the C Windows, and then C Windows CCM app info. That's the location on the client side. Okay, so it's still doing something. So it's almost done. Say start execution, select start from package. So there's no error so far. That means it's getting deployed. So while it's doing this one again, I just verify. I think I already explained. These are the first I declare the variables. So in future you want to install some different application, just change the name of the app. Suppose you want to install Firefox, just change it to Firefox. Put the location of the MSI file, and then icon where you put the JPG file, install, uninstall. If you want to uninstall, then just choose here deployment to uninstall. So that's how you can do. It's I think it's done. It says finish execution of WQL query, select star from SMS applications, Google Chrome 1. So it should be installed. So let's go back to my log files. I will see if app info is there. Logs. Date modified. App info is still not there. So just check. You're gonna check under, these are the different logs. Where app discovery, let's see if what it says. Google Chrome. MSI. It says 712, 948. This is the old one. 10:15 p.m. I'm just trying to figure it out. So let's see. Under, I should say Google Chrome 1. That was the name of that update contact. Refresh. It's just refreshing it. It's still doing something. I think my system is almost should be done anytime. Refresh. I'm just refreshing it one more time. Applications. Okay, let's go to application. I should see now Chrome 1 right here. So it should be there anytime. Chrome 1, here comes Chrome 1, yes. And the deployment status is 1. So let's go to content status of Google Chrome. So it should be done now. So let's go to, I'm gonna go back to my other devices. Let's see, because I choose all systems. So I'll go back to my DC. Let's see input Control Alt Delete. I put my secret password, which I will not share. Okay. Control panel, and I will search for config manager and actions, machine policy retrieval, machine policy. I'll do a couple times. I should see. Okay, and then I go back here under software center. Here comes new software available. I should say Chrome 1. Here comes Chrome 1. So I just have double click to install it. So I want to see on my other machines. So let's see one more machine. Workstation. So it should be, so that's the pretty simple process to install. So let's go back to the next step. While this one is finishing, I'll go to my next script, which is what I don't know. Let's see. Here comes. SCCM. Okay. My second PowerShell script is okay. I did deploy application, create collections, and add members using text file. So this one is pretty simple. I want to create a different collection. I created text file pclist.txt, so which is C user desktop. I show you this pclist.txt file. I have 5. You can put as many computers up here, and I want to add this list, whichever under this text file, to our collection name. So I will show you this file. Here it is. It has only 2 systems. I'm gonna add one more system, which is WS1. WHEG. WS1. So, and save. So let's go back to my PowerShell script. Here it is. So I just create a collection directory where I want to put all the information that's up here. Collection name. I want to make it suppose make it New York, USA laptops. That's the collection name. Computer get content. Then I put the location. You should have 3 systems in that one. Now that's the next command. You got to remember it. Nothing special. New CM device collection, and the name, collection name, which is here. This variable I store. New York USA laptops. Collection, I want all systems. You have to choose. This is by default. You can choose whichever you want for each dollar computer in computers. What's computers in this list? add device collections. So that's it, by picking up from this list. Okay, and if it's already there, then it should not membership, or if this collection name is already there, then it will not do anything. So let's see, run it now. So it's almost done. So let's see, not yet. I gotta see that my collection name is collection name is New York, USA laptops. So it's still doing something. Let's go back to my device collections, assets and compliance, device collections. Let's see, New York, USA laptops. New York, USA laptops. Here comes. I added 3, maybe. Let's see. It's doing something. So let's go back. Here comes. So that's done. So that's why it added 2 systems. Okay. So that's how we add um, device collections. So right now I'm gonna refresh it. Refresh. It may say here comes 3. Show systems. I want to see how many systems up there. Show members. So it should show 3 members which I added: DC1, SCCM1, and WS1. So that's pretty simple. The next power slide is a next PowerShell script is okay. The next PowerShell script is what? Let's see which one is that. Open, read host file multiple computers. So what I'm trying to do is get content. I want to read the host file using PowerShell script. Suppose you want to see this google.com. It's doing something. Okay. Cannot be displayed. Okay. So let's see. Okay, I want to show you from here this screen. So a Powershell is google.com PDQ reading host file. I'm using this website. So all I want is to read the content of the host file, get content of this host file location. But it's once we go to this one, it show you a lot of information. I don't want any extra stuff from the host file. I just want the IP addresses kind of things, nothing else. Because once it's get content from this location, It gives you a lot more info. I want just a minute. I just want like this IP address and the name of the computer. So like this one, I just copy this file. You just have to remember couple variables and then storing them and then result. So that's what I just copy from here. You just have Google PDQ host file, read the host file. So let's go back to this one. All right, so reading the host file, it should say I want information from these computers, this variable, all the information from these two systems, host file information, clean one. Cannot find switch driver host. Just couple mistakes on this possible, but that's how you're gonna do it. I'm gonna fix it, find the solution. Might have couple. Let me see. Read the host file, multiple computers. Read host file computers.ps1. So somehow that part is not working. So we're gonna find out. I find the solution, but this is pretty simple. I'm gonna fix this thing in my next PowerPoint slide. So I'm gonna show a couple more things up here. Just a minute with the PowerShell. I'm just give me a couple more minutes. Okay. So you can I put this command like two scripts which are working in the details up here. In a couple minutes you will be able to see that. Okay. Okay. So I think that's enough for today. Thanks for watching, and I'm gonna put all the details about these in pretty soon. Okay, thank you. Scripts, these two scripts which are working, I will post in this recording. Thank you.